Make up language and play with sounds and meaning all the time. Use drama to explore a creative approach to literacy sessions, which will guarantee your students love learning and literacy will improve. Physicalizing language can help build understanding and vocabulary.
3, 2, 1, colossal! As big as you can be.
So get your students to become the word.
Go!
Introduce a theme, book or play like Romeo and Juliet and get them to work individually.
And let's see some of the servants working in the castle. There's so many servants have to keep that castle working.
And then as a whole group.
And freeze. Lovely.
One person at a time enters the space and announces what they are as they physically become that thing. Each accepts, builds on and develops what has already been offered. Get them to physically create key scenes, locations or aspects of the story they are going to write.
What a fantastic shape. This looks like a Lamborghini. What's this bit here? The wheels. That's amazing. What a fantastic car.
Do you want your summer at me, sir?
Shakespearean insults can be used to make language a game. Introduce difficult language through drama. Shakespeare is full of insults.
After 3, rat catcher. 1, 2, 3.
Getting students to hear and repeat complex language before they see it written down will help them to explore it and feel ownership of it. You can explore any text through this method. The teacher just says it and the pupils repeat.
Disobedient wretch.
Disobedient wretch!
Then you can get your students to have a word off, which is like a dance off, but with language. Drama is an easy tool to use, which will raise literacy standards. Physicalizing language and making it into a game will extend your learners' vocabulary and help develop writing and sequencing skills. Use drama to bring language to life.